feeling like fuck cops, let them get the buckshot. Dollar bill, I'ma show you where the buck stop. Hit them with the kung pao, I be going nuts now. Used to get the rum rap, shorties want fuck now. Baby, I'm back again, ain't nobody iller. Beating on my chest like a fucking gorilla. Grew up on a Tribe Called Quest and Jay Dilla, but the Mac taught me how to swing donuts for real. I'm just a product of my motherfucking environment. So growing up, all I wanted was a crew gone wild. Now the crew gone wild, I spit a couple freestyles, turn my life around. Gave these cats food for thought they want bite me now, but what's surprising about it? Not a motherfucking thing, I guess. That's why I gotta do mine. I put in all of this time.
Tak Anička, jak se dneska líbila, jak jsi zalezla?
Parádně, super, vyšlo počasí nakonec, bylo krásně, spoustu lidí, výborný.
Jo, bouldry byly moc pěkný, bylo to těžký, jsem slabý. Paráda a bitva byla úplně skvělá.
A těším se na příští určitě.
Bylo to skvěle postavený, skvěle se to lezlo a nic.
Just to shoot at the cops. Pop, 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 turn a pig to a fucking pork chop. What's next? Ain't paying with these cats no more. I get the murder in the beat, that's what the casket for. I got a feeling in my gut that the cash is close. I hear them switching up their tune, trying to match the note. And the snakes out there, so the grass can mow. I ain't tripping necessarily what I'm asking for. I told him go ahead and bank on.
Tohle byl náš Jungle Jam.
If you feeling bad, gon' play about me. Sweet as sugar iced tea, well it ain't gon' be okay. Headed back to the mission, sliding on the bridge, bumping back to my mission.